Hello, I'm Clive Venover, business strategist, and I help people ensure they have a clear roadmap to success. Customer feedback in business is something that often causes great angst inside a business, and yet it should be something that's welcomed and indeed encouraged, because customer feedback can give you all manner of clues about how to keep your business running the way that the customers want it to be. What if the customer feedback is negative? In the end, it doesn't matter whether the customer feedback is positive or negative. What matters is how we address it. It's important to take in whatever the customer feedback is telling us. Then we have to make a decision about whether or not we take it on board. Customer feedback can actually tell us that we've changed direction and didn't notice. Many times I've seen people in business receive a bit of customer feedback which was a tad negative and get very upset about it. Well, it's not the customer's fault that they didn't get what they thought they were going to get. If we didn't describe properly and clearly what it is the customer would receive and have them agree that they were happy with that. Feedback is a matter of interpretation. Sometimes we'll receive feedback from somebody who, for some reason totally divorced from us, has felt unhappy on the day, and we were the poor unlucky sod that they took it out on. Well, that sort of feedback you can identify and make sure that we don't need to do anything about that. However, if we get consistent feedback that points out that we're missing something which we earlier claimed we were very good at, we have to look clearly at our procedures, our processes, maybe even as far back as our policies. What is it that we're not doing now that we were doing earlier that people were very happy with, but now they're unhappy that it's not there? Interpreting the feedback correctly makes it valuable. If we ignore it, we might be heading in the wrong direction and we're driving our business underground. Look for feedback. Seek it out. Encourage it, because it can give us great clues on how we go about running our business. Why do we run these businesses? Well, we run our business to provide a service to a customer. We want to provide the best quality service that we can. Who's the best person then to tell us whether or not we're doing that? We can pat ourselves on the back readily and easily. What are our customers saying? Are they saying we're delivering what we promise? Are they saying we deliver more than what we promise? Are they saying we promise a lot and don't deliver much? Customer feedback can be the best guide that you will find. Tend to your customers.